today's fiercely competitive era, if you don't advance, you will retreat. As a Chinese manufacturing source factory for CNC precision hardware parts, we know this and has been working hard to improve its production technology and service quality in order to be able to export overseas. Let more countries and people enjoy our products. The reason why we can become the source factory of manufacturing in China, it is because we always adhere to quality as the core. Through continuous innovation and improvement of production technology, ensure that every product meets customer needs and expectations. At the same time, we are constantly improving the quality and precision of our products, make customers more satisfied during use. Now our products have been exported to all over the world, received unanimous praise and recognition from customers. We believe that in the days to come we will continue to work hard, continuous innovation to provide customers with better products and services. Let Chinese manufacturing occupy a place in the global market.